Hey, I'm Laura Bechtel with Sheridan Solomon Associates. I love real estate. I love the people part of it and working with my clients. Today we're at one of my sellers' homes, and part of getting ready for that is talking to my seller about pricing. You don't want to just stick a sign in your yard and go on the market without knowing what the value is of your house. You might leave money on the table, or you might price so high that you don't get showings. One of the other things that I do is talk to my sellers about being prepared. I will ask them to take things off of surfaces so that it looks much more uncluttered. I also talk to them about doing landscaping, putting out fresh pine straw, getting ready so that everything is exactly picture perfect, because the most excitement you're going to get is in those first few days when the listing pops up on the MLS. That is what builds the excitement, so you've got to be ready then.